Welcome back to the Prime Trainer Tim channel. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to safely enter and exit the truck. We have two hands, we have 2 feet. We always need to use 3 points of contact, such as 2 hands on the rails and 1 foot. That's 3 points of contact. Or the other foot, or both feet and 1 hand. Just so there's always 3 points of contact. Climbing into the truck, 3 points of contact. When exiting the truck, you exit the exact same way that you got into the truck. Exit backwards. Again, 3 points of contact always. Safely step out of the truck. Do not jump off the steps. Do not jump out of the truck forward. You're out here to make money. If you jump out, twist, break an ankle, whatever, you're out of a job. You are not making money. That is my tip for today. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Use my driver code for recruiting, and hopefully you come to Prime. My driver code is HARTIJ.